Today we're going to be making fried rice. Feel free to pause and read the ingredients.
Okay.
The first step is dicing your onions into small, tiny little pieces. Actually, we're going to mince it because we don't want those big cube chunks in our fried rice. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to cut up our green onions super fast and professional and good. I'm just kidding. You can use scissors. They're a lot easier and a lot safer too.
Okay.
Once you're done with that, in a bowl add 2 whole eggs and start beating it until it looks consistently yellow all throughout. I forgot to record here, so here's what happened. I put a wok over low heat, added half a tablespoon of oil, half of the minced onions, and a small amount, just a small amount of green onions. And that's how we ended up here. Let that cook for a while and then add your corned beef. Let it cook evenly, and once you see it brown a little, push it aside so you can add a tablespoon of oil and then add the eggs in. Mix it around a bit, and then after a while you can add 2 cups of rice and then start mixing it all together.
Somewhat.
Add your seasonings, bro. Put some pepper, salt, MSG, a generous amount of soy sauce.
That's a lot of soy sauce. Add the other half to our onions right here. Boom, boom, boom. Alright.
Now you can put this in a plate, but I'm gonna eat it straight out of the wok, so I'm just going to garnish it right now. And a little bit more. You can never have too much green onions, they taste way too good. And there you have it, easy fried rice.